Have you ever opened a crypto app, saw all your coins in the red, but strangely your total balance actually increased? I was also surprised at first. The market was bleeding, BTC was dropping, altcoins were crashing, but I still made a 9% profit. How is that possible? Let me tell you from the beginning so you understand the daily installment system of 50,000 IDR that I've been using from then until now. And the craziest part? This system still makes a profit even when everyone else is panicking. So here's the thing, bro. When I started this strategy, the intention was very simple. I just wanted to invest slowly, 50,000 per day. I chose 7 coins, BTC, ETH, XRP, SOL, ADA, DOT, and POL. Because, well, 7 days in a week, so 1 coin each day. Monday BTC, Tuesday ETH, Wednesday XRP, and so on. No hassle, no need to think about prices. The important thing is discipline and consistency. But actually, bro, my ultimate goal is just one thing: accumulating Bitcoin. Why? Because for me, BTC is like the main house. The place you return to, the place you find peace, the place you build a long-term foundation. Meanwhile, altcoins are like rentals. You rent, you manage, you fix, and when you start seeing results, you transfer the money to your own house, to BTC. I'm not anti-altcoin, bro. In fact, I leverage altcoins to work overtime for me. So when those coins go up 17%, 30%, or even as high as 60%, I don't think twice. I sell immediately and transfer the profits to Bitcoin. The logic is simple. My altcoins work hard so I can become richer in BTC units. Because ultimately, in this crypto world, prices may go up and down, hype may come and go, but the one that lasts the longest is still Bitcoin, bro. But the longer my channel runs, the busier it gets. Many viewers comment, "Bro, talk about this coin. Bro, is this coin potential?" I started with only 7 coins, but kept adding more because I wanted to help educate them. Until finally, when I looked at my portfolio, 19 coins, bro. One viewer even said, "Uncle Anton, your portfolio is like a supermarket shelf." I laughed, but inwardly thought, yeah, that's true. Eventually, I stopped adding coins and focused on taking care of what I already have. Last week was a really tough mental test, bro. BTC dropped, all altcoins followed suit. I opened Indodax, saw my portfolio in the red overall. I'm not just talking, bro. Here I am revealing my portfolio. I have 19 coins and all of them are in the red, meaning at a loss. For those who can't see the numbers clearly, I'll read out the coin names and their losses. Bitcoin lost 1.75%. Polkadot lost 21.45%. Ripple lost 18.1%. Polygon lost 19.63%. Internet Computer lost 29.38%. Render lost 28.96%. Dogecoin lost 25.55%. Cardano lost 19.24%. Arbitrum lost 30.2%. Ethereum lost 11.98%. Avalanche lost 17.41%. Optimism lost 20.33%. Pyth Network lost 30.87%. WorldCoin lost 31.32%. Solana lost 5.68%. Chainlink lost 20.07%. Toncoin lost 22.46%. VeChain lost 23.14%. Plume Network lost 23.68%. I'm just staring. Could it be that my strategy has totally failed? But I hold myself back from panicking. I remember a wise saying, "The one who loses isn't the one whose market drops, but the one who sells out of fear." Finally, I casually opened my daily crypto installment notes. Total installments, 286 times. Each time I bought 50,000. That means the total capital I spent is 14.3 million. I checked the current portfolio value on Indodax, 15.65 million. Still a profit of 1.35 million or plus 9.4%, even though all the coins are in the red. I immediately thought, is Indodax miscalculating or am I just lucky? But after I kept thinking about it, it turns out it's really simple, bro. I had sold some coins when I was in profit, some with plus 17%, like XRP and Ethereum, some with plus 30%, like Cardano and Ethereum. And there was even one that hit plus 60%, which was Pyth Network, because I was late to sell. Well, the realized profits are what offset the losses in other coins. So even though the portfolio looks red, overall, I'm still above my initial capital. This is concrete proof that taking profit is really important, bro. Don't wait until you feel it will definitely go up again, because the market has no obligation to make you happy. I learned 3 big things from this experience, bro. First, dollar cost averaging is not just a buying strategy, but mental training. You are trained to be patient, disciplined, and not panic every time the market swings. You're not just buying coins, but you're also buying peace of mind. There's a big difference between people who buy out of FOMO and those who buy because they have a system. One is driven by emotion, the other controls time. Second, diversification is not a sin, as long as you understand why you're buying that coin. Don't just do it because it's trending on TikTok or Twitter. If you know the reason, whether it's technology, team, or use case, you'll be more at ease when the price drops. Random diversification is like eating at a buffet without knowing your taste. In the end, you're full but not satisfied. Third, realistic take profit is key. Don't wait for 1000% like influencers showing off charts in shorts. I prefer to take 20 to 30% of real gains rather than wait for a miracle that may never come. Because in a market like this, the one who gets out quickly isn't the smartest, but the most disciplined when the time is right. Imagine, bro, an investment of 14.3 million can increase by 9% in a bleeding market. This is concrete proof that system and mindset are more important than feelings, because the result isn't determined by how often you're right, but how long you can endure without panicking. So, bro, if you're feeling down because your portfolio is red, remember, red doesn't necessarily mean loss. I'll prove it myself. I'm still profitable, not because of luck, but because of discipline and having a system. If you want to learn this strategy more deeply, I've prepared a complete playlist of daily crypto installments on this channel. And if you want to protect your privacy while researching coins, you can use GoLogin. The link is in the description, and you get a 40% discount using the code ANTON10. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, bro, so more people understand. Investing isn't about getting rich quickly, but about staying strong through the storms.